The word of the week is unity! What is unity?
The definition of unity is being joined as a whole or united together.
And in German, it is Einheit.
We are united in our house groups.
In Polish, it is jedność.
We are united with our whole school community. We are united with all our friends.
In Finnish, it's yhtenäisyys.
We are all united as disciples of Jesus. We are all united with the church and our family.
In French, it is l'unité.
We are united with the world. We're going to have to look after it. We are united with our family.
The word in Spanish is unidad.
Daniel, what does unity mean to you?
Unity means to me when you all together and you can work together as a team and pray to Jesus.
We are united with all the schools in the Our Lady of Lourdes Trust. What does unity mean to you?
Right, Julia, good question. Now, unity to me means lots of people working together for the same cause. And in my job, what I really want to see is all of our schools working really closely together so that we can promote Catholic education, we can help everyone develop in terms of their spiritual journey and their faith journey, and we can do the very best for everyone. So we used to be 21 separate schools. We're 21 schools now in our trust, Our Lady of Lourdes Trust. And I'm really trying to work hard to get everyone unified so we're all doing similar things for the good of each other. So everyone can get better and better and better. What's your view of unity? What do you think of it?
When we just work together
Yeah,
and we help each other.
good. And does that make things better?
Mrs. Jordan, what does unity mean to you?
Well, Sinead, unity means to me about working together as a family, which all of our schools are. So you work together with your class, that's a family. Working together with all of our schools and helping and supporting each other. That's what unity means to me.
Evie, what does unity mean to you? To me, unity means when you can come as one together and pray to Jesus. The scripture this week is Romans chapter 12, verse 5.
In the same way, through many, we are one body in union with Christ, and we are all joined to each other as different parts of one body.
This thinks diverse because it reminds us that we are all united in Christ.
When we are united, we can do anything.
Anything,
Yes, Starla, anything.
it can make us feel loved.
It can make us strong.
It can make us feel brave. This video shows us how being united can help us.
On Saturday, we are celebrating our first Holy Communion.
This shows we are united with each other.
The church
And Jesus.
This week we would like you to pray the web prayer.
You will need a ball of wool or string.
First, take the wool and hold on to it. Next, throw the ball around the circle to make a web.
This shows us that we are all connected in unity with each other.
This links to our mission statement
Because we can together do
trusting in God.
creating tomorrow, helping today.
In unity!
Your mission this week
Is to work together in unity
like disciples.